Greeting teacher and everyone. So we are from Group A, Team 1. So today we will present you one monitoring tool, network monitoring tool called PRTG. So PRTG, the full word is Puzzler Router Traffic Grapher. It is like a monitoring tool that we can use it to continuously monitoring the endpoint device like the router, firewall, or server, and also with the application. And with this tool, monitoring tool, it also show the availability with the traffic, with the bandwidth, and also it illustrate the network traffic and the matrix in the real time, and also visualize the data in the graphic map. So if we talk about the benefit of using PRTG, it also avoid loss caused by the undetected system failure, and it also create the recovery plan for the event of the device failure. And last but not least, it also reduce the cost of buying bandwidth and hardware according to the actual load. And next point, we go to the how does the PRTG work that we present by Ratan.
Thank you, sir. Now let's go to the health dash PRTG work. Before we need to monitoring network, so we need to have one computer server, and then we need to install the PRTG monitoring tool. After that, we need to connect to access point or router, and then the client need to access to the same router or access point to the same network, and then we need to add the device in the PRTG monitoring tool and add sensor. We can add HTTP, ping, or SNMP traffic. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol that can allow monitoring to communicate with the router, and then we can get the report by the interval about the traffic. Now let's go to the next part is the implement the POTG in real work will present by Chan Liang.
Thank you, Ratana. Now we will go to the real-life implementation of PRTG. When we install PRTG, we will have this program installed on our computer, and then we can go to our address to visit this homepage of PRTG. When we come into this page, there are devices. In devices, we can see all the device lists. So since this is our server computer, we have to add a device. And I've already added the device for our PRTG, and its name is InfoServe. And for this implementation, we will also use two other client computers. One is InfoSec Client 1, and two is InfoSec Client 2. In our InfoSec, we can go inside the device to add our sensor. There are a lot of sensors in PRCG. So for this implementation, we will use these sensors, and we will also add the same sensor for the other devices, like our client one and our client two. And once we have added our sensors to all of our devices, we can see the report from our sensors. This is the overall report for our devices from client one, client two, and also our server. And each sensor that we added will also have its own graph to show you what sensor are used to display data. More importantly, we can also view the data for each client device. So if we go to client one, we can see specific use of this client and how much data and traffic come into this one device. So next, we will go to sub evaluation.
Sir.
Yes, thank you so much, Chen Liang and all the teammates for well present about our tool. So we think our tool come to an end, and for our self evaluation, we have chosen state two because we use our own idea, our discussion in our group, and we also need some support from the Google, from the sources that have the evidence with the this tool, this monitoring tool. And this part brings us to the end of our demonstration and presentation. Thank you so much, teacher and everyone, for your paying attention.